In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this pattern on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube where you put the letter T on all the side faces. Check out my other videos showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, a 3x3, a 4x4, and even a 5x5. So to do this pattern, you do need to start with a solved Rubik's Cube, so you need to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube or have a solved Rubik's Cube, and you need to know how to use algorithms on a Rubik's Cube too. If you don't already know how to use algorithms, then check out my 3x3 tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So to do this pattern, we just need an algorithm, and that algorithm is F2, D2, Fi, L2, D2, U2, R2, Bi, U2, F2. So let's do the algorithm then. F2, D2, Fi, L2, D2, U2, R2, Bi, U2, F2. And that gives us the letter T on all the side faces. Okay, and then to undo this pattern, you just want a letter T on the front face, doesn't matter which one, and just repeat the same algorithm. So we go F2, D2, Fi, L2, D2, U2, R2, Bi, U2, F2. And there we are back to a solved Rubik's Cube. Hope it helped guys, and thanks for watching. For more Rubik's Cube patterns, check out my other videos, and also if you know of any other Rubik's Cube patterns that you'd like me to make a video of, then feel free to leave a comment in the comment section with the algorithm, and maybe I'll make a video of that in the future. Thanks a lot guys, bye.